Hey guys, and welcome to Rayman Fista Run. It's actually a very good game. It's loud here, and yeah, it's like I think it's Spanish game. Let's play it then. I did already done it, but I'm gonna start it from the start. This is the start. The basic, they will train me how. Okay, let me go. Go. But I have the jumping thing. I unlocked it already. I played this game for a while, not that while. I downloaded it yesterday. I play it today and tomorrow. Today and yesterday. It's actually a good game. You can download it. I think it's called. You must buy it. It's not free game. You can buy it if you want. You can buy it. It's I don't know how many bucks it is. Or $1. I don't know. Or crowns. It's like in Sweden. Let me see it. Get everything. Yeah, perfect. I'm even better, right? Better than before. Okay, I got the. Almost done it. Cold burn. Okay. Okay, no. Okay, I can't have it if you want. Like what? What is that thing coming under the water? Yahoo! Yippee! If you want, I'm playing some of the games. I can play for you guys. The best games. No. If you want, I'm gonna make some more video on my iPhone games. After this video, I might show you some of my games. I got my new iPhone 6. Then I started to record my screen. It was awesome already. Okay, if you want to know how to record it, free games and stuff, you can leave a comment below. I will show you how. It's like for free everything. I can show you if you want. Leave a comment below. Show you how to download free games. Hey, wrong way. Okay, I die. Let me get everything. What's this? Okay, well, I have enough money to buy everything. Okay, I have everything again now. Easy, boy, easy. Easy, boy. Jump. Come on, jump. Yeehaw, jump. Yeehaw, jump. Yeah, it's like some of this level, the boss, the skull I had, it's actually a little bit hard. Some of you guys thinking the game is not hard. Are you baby to play? I say no. Maybe you don't like it. I like it. I had to get a crown on the thing too, I got new. Yeah, new gift. I got the Rayman gift. I got the king prize. What's this? Nightmare more. You can get some stuff here, huh? cool stuff. What's that? Game Boy, what? What? Okay. Can do. Buy this one. Try to buy it. I have it? Wow. That's good. How about if I want this one, like this thing, this shit. I'll choose the best. I'm gonna choose the Gray Lantern. Okay, Gray Lantern. Heroes. I have all one. Very nice. Okay, let's get started. The next one is gonna be the cake thing stuff. Let me jump. And the lantern, green lantern, blue lantern, lantern. Woohoo! Yippee! You know, you can teach yourself if you're not good at this thing. Swam. It's actually good. I'll leave a link down below that you can watch the next video. You can watch my friend's YouTube channel. It's actually a good game. I'm older than him. He is younger than me. I'm 13 and he's 9, 10, something like that. It's actually good, huh? Yeah, I did it! Okay, man. I hope you get the crown even better, okay? I got it better. I got it better than you had on. Okay, let's play this one. You can play yourself. I'm gonna let you play it after. I pick this and not this. Yeah, feathers. Let's run up and they go down like this is nothing, just a song. Okay, if you wanna making a Minecraft P, I have Minecraft P on my mobile. If you wanna making the series of it, I can make it. Or you can comment below which game can I download and you know, play. I can download I need it. Oh, it's shaking like that. No, I don't know. Okay. It's gonna be a little short video, not like the others. It's just a part 1, you know. We played this one. Maybe next time we may play this one. Okay. And yeah, I see you guys next time. Oh wait, it's not done yet. I want to show you my games.